Hey, I've got this little powerful, super convenient handheld vacuum cleaner. This also is going to do inflating of like pool toys and all that kind of stuff. Really easy to operate. Now the brand did send this to me. So this is going to be great for getting into tight spaces. We've got all kinds of little attachments. Let me show you the basics first. So to turn it on, all you're going to do is just single click. You've got low and then you've got high. And just take it along. It's got some pretty good suction on it. Yeah, I'm liking that. Pretty good, okay? You can kind of empty this out and clean it out. The first way is to push this button right here, and then this top is just gonna go ahead and open up, and just go ahead and shake it. This is a great attachment right here because you're gonna be able to do hard surfaces, and then if you pop this up, now we can go ahead and we can do carpeted areas as well. On the other end of the suction end, this is where you're getting the forced air, and they give you this little attachment. Work it in there and then just turn it on. There we go. I don't know if you can see it. It is actually full. Let's go ahead and take it out. Go ahead and pop that in. And there you go. Very quickly, it filled that up. Turn it on. Give you a better idea here. Here we go, filling up nice and quick. Wow, that is actually really fast. Whoa. Oh, I'm really surprised. I mean, it filled it up really quick, as you just saw. This is like one of those big like inflatables we put water to like suntan and lay in the water on the lawn. 101 different applications for a vacuum cleaner like this. It's handheld, super convenient. I'm getting into all the little tight spaces here, and I'm able to inflate all my pool toys, etc. Just a great all-around vacuum, great value here. You don't always have to get out the big vacuum. You can just pull this out. This is gonna be much more convenient for like those maintenance type cleaning. So definitely check it out. That's the Owleys handheld vacuum. My quick review, and thanks for watching.